Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your account on the Spendee budget planning application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Spendee application on your device and then enter your passcode or use your credentials in order to log in. You will then be taken into your timeline page, from which in order to delete your account, tap on the More option at the bottom right corner. Now from this page, scroll down and then tap on Advanced. Now within this page, you will then see the Delete Account option. Go ahead and tap on it and you will be asked whether you are sure that you want to delete your account. And you will also be told that this process is irreversible, which means that there might not be any time period by which you can bring back your account. In order to proceed forward, tap on the Continue button and you will be asked to enter your password for security verification. After entering your password and proceeding forward, you may once again be prompted to finalize your decision, and once you finalize and confirm your decision to delete your account, you will be logged out from the Spendee application and your account will be deleted right away. If you wish to use Spendee again, you will need to create a new account by using your social accounts or a new email address. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to delete your account on the Spendee budget planning application. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you again in the next one.